I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I had a really good day yesterday. This is Katie, my little tomboy Yorkie. I can dress her up, but within a few minutes, her top knot is a mess. But she got her hair cut yesterday. I got that all done. And then Darren and I took a, well, it's just over 10-mile bike ride. We went out to lunch. It was absolutely fantastic, beautiful day. And I got Happy Mail. My Happy Mail is from Mary Ann at Little Rascal Reborn, and we'll have a description below. I am blown away. I had to peek inside because she told me this was coming, and I have been very excited. And then she told me it was mailed, so I started watching the mailbox, and sure enough, here it is. I can't tell you how excited. Wait till you see the generosity of the doll community on YouTube is unbelievable. So anyway, I did peek inside. Oh, I just can't believe it. My face was just, yesterday, I was smiling so much. There is a card, and I have my glasses here. Oh my goodness, that's cute. All right. Hi Marna, hope this finds you in good spirits. Sorry it's so late. It's not late, it's right on time. Hoping you like, I'm not going to say the name. Sorry, this is a holiday card. Didn't realize I was out of cards. Haha. Hope you get a chuckle out of it. Many blessings. Mary Ann, Little Rascal Reborns. Oh, I knew you commented you liked this little dress, so I sent it with her. On her channel, I must have said that I liked the dress, so now I'm really excited to see. Isn't that a cute card? It's not Christmas, it's cookies. Winter cookies, yeah, indeed. So it is an American Girl, as you saw in the title. Oh, I'm so excited. I have to tell you, I love American Girls. Between my top 3 favorite dolls are the American Girls, the Blythe, and the 17-inch Barbies, I think, today. So here she, oh my goodness, I do love this dress. Oh, that is so cute. Oh wow, and it's really well made. Did you make this, Mary Ann? You'll have to leave that in the comments. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So here's Tenny, and she told me that the hair was cut. I don't think it looks bad though. You know, it'd be cute, a little headband with that. We'll see. It's not bad. I like it. It looks like a little pixie cut from the 60s. Kind of a pixie cut. But look at this dress, will you? Oh my goodness. Darren and I have lived off-grid. We are not off-grid now, but we have lived rural for several years, and we now live on a farm. The only farm animals we have anymore are, well, I guess the horses. Horses, cats, and dogs is all we have now, but we have had it all. She said the legs were loose. Yeah, that's not too bad. I will tighten that, but that is not bad at all. I love this doll. Thank you, Mary Ann. Oh my goodness, thank you. Let's see this dress. If she made this, my goodness, it's made well. Oh, and she's got little panties on too. She has her tag. Very cool. Look at this little dress. I'm wondering. No, it's made by Dresses for Dolls. Boy, that's cute. That I like the dress as much as I like the dolls. And y'all know I love, love, love these dolls. Marianne, I love this doll. She is cute and pretty and beautiful, all rolled up in one. And I love the Christmas card because I feel like it's Christmas. Go check out Mary Ann's channel. She has the most beautiful, realistic looking reborn dolls. She does a lot of redressing videos and shows her collection. It's worth going and taking a look. It's a fun channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.